I built an After Effects script without writing any single line of code, and it actually works. The entire script was created using ChatGPT, and today I'm giving it away. So if you want to speed up your workflow, this tool might be useful. So let me show you what it does. So here I am in After Effects. So this is the expression kit light, and let me just bring up the expression list that I have, and let's just copy this looping wiggle expression. Now let's just copy this, and you can just paste it here. Simple as that. Just name it loop wiggle or whatever name you want. Let's just save this, and you have the expression here, and let's just apply it to the position. So select the position and select this expression and apply expression. So right away you can see it has been applied. You can also save another one. Let's just try this time. Let's just remove all this and type in your expression and just type in the name, time, and save. And I'll just hit R to bring up the rotation, and let's just apply to the rotation. Select this and apply expression, and you see that it has been applied. So that's how easy it is to use. And the good thing about this script is that you don't have to save your expression in a notepad or somewhere in your hard drive. So you can save all your expression in this expression kit light. And I also have another version, which is the pro version. Let's just close this out and close this. Let's just go to window, and by the way, this is how you bring up this script. You can just go to window and you can just expression kit pro, and this is it. Let's just dock it here. You have a slightly improved UI versus the light version, and you have some other more features baked in this pro version as well. So let me show you what it does. I have loaded 2 default expression here, which are not deletable. You can just see if you just hit the delete, it does not work. So let me show you what this expression does, right? So let's just go to another example, which is this. This is just a simple shape animation like this. So I'll just select the size and I'll just apply this UI overshoot. Apply this, and you can just play it now. You have a very buttery smooth animation now. And let's just try saving an expression here. Just click on this, a new window would pop out, and I'll just rename it stretch and squash. Okay, let's just bring out this expression list. Let's just copy all of this and copy this, put this away, paste the expression here and save it, and bam, you have this. And if you just go to the scale, and I'll just apply this, you can see that what's happening here. But that's how you save it very easily. And you can also select, and you can just delete it if you don't want. And you can also save your library. You can just click on this and you can just my library. It will save it in a .json file. Save it, export it successfully. I have a library which I will import now. I will just click on this import, and I just created 10 expression here, which I also generated from ChatGPT, by the way. I'll just select this, import, and you can see that it has been populated with all those expressions. You can also go inside this, click on this, and if you click on this edit, it will pop out, and you can always edit this expression, but the default preloaded expressions cannot be edited, nor it can be deleted. So that's the one point you have to remember. So if you want the light version, it's free for my Patreon, and if you want the pro version with more features, you can join the paid tier. I'm planning to release more tools like this, so Patreon members will get everything first. I hope you will like this tool. Make sure to check it out from the link below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.